There is no charm, incantation, incision, or any sacrifice that will ever work for you again. The regime of Satan has come to an end. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time on things that cannot save.
This is a call not just to witness but to believe that the prophetic voice is alive and active today. That which was declared by the man of God, Christopher Orji, has been fulfilled. Believe in the Lord your God and you shall be established. Believe his prophets and you shall prosper. 2 Chronicles 20:20.